In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix firmware update failed in Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we need to perform a disk cleanup to free up some storage on our Windows. So go to the Windows C drive and type disk cleanup. Click on it under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. And from here, simply choose all the files that we need to delete. To simply check all of these options and click on OK. And click on delete files and wait for the process to be done. Once that is done, the next thing that we need to do is we have to click on the start button and go to settings. Then we have to click on system. Then we need to scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. And here we can find Windows Update with the run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will help you fix the issue by giving suggestions and recommendations. After performing the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more tutorials for you. Next method, we can also temporarily turn off the firewall. So go to the Windows search bar and type firewall. Click Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off on the left pane and simply switch to Turn Off and click on OK and get your job done. And once you get your job done, just simply also turn it on again because this is very important protection for your Windows. Then for the final method, right-click at the Start button, select Device Manager. Expand the list for Firmware. And then right click, select uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. Simply uncheck or do not check this option. Just simply click the uninstall button and then after uninstalling it, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. That will fix the issue for you. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.